So, my saver, Adam, is coming home from Southampoton to finish the repair of a tire, which I cannot do because it's too hard. There is a type of wire, very strong wire, on this thick type of tire from the Electra Townie Go, and without proper tools we cannot put it back. So Adam is going to show us how to do. With your two hands? How did you do? How did you do? No, I don't believe. Show me your fingers. They are so strong.
The trick.
I could not do it for 2 hours.
Is this side, you push
Give us a trick.
down. You push down into the wheel, so then this side goes in easy.
All around.
Watch.
You do it all around. I could not succeed in that. They are not easy even to take out.
Right.
But it's not the...
You have this much left.
Yes.
This side, push in, 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 and then big push.
In pushing with your body.
And palms and the hands here.
Incredible. And for those who don't have strong hands, do we have tools?
There are no tools, just
No tools?
strong hands.
Because I could see wheel sealers, how do you call?
The tire removers, yeah.
Tire
Tire
removers?
levers.
Okay, thank you Adam. You saved me, and now we know we don't need tools in fact. Thank you.